So Doordash, I know, I'm sorry for the awkward camera angle. This is kind of an update. It's getting kind of hard to do some of these updates just because Doordash changes things so quickly and so often. So they're trying to incentivize people by giving them more money if they can do more orders in a streak, so not denying any orders, as I would say, accepting the poop orders. But we'll see how it goes. Last night, it didn't work so well for me. I accepted one of the poop orders, and it wound up not paying at all, and then it wound up ending the streak, which means I didn't get the money. So I took the poop order, took a hit to my order completion, and then also took the hit to the streak. So yeah, to me, it didn't seem like it was very much worth it. So, which also sucked because I was only 2 away from the streak paying out, and the 2 orders right after that bad order wound up being good and would have completed the streak, which would have paid me out. So it doesn't require you to do anything. I guess take it with a grain of salt is the way I see it right now.